Stop wasting time on Amazon affiliate. This is how you actually make money. 3, 2, 1, boom. Collision. You're about to learn the secret. Amazon doesn't tell affiliates want to make passive income with Amazon affiliate? In this video, I'll reveal the best strategy to earn $500 $5,000 per month, even as a beginner. Briefly explain Amazon Associates, what it is, how it works. Why Amazon affiliate is still profitable in 2025. A preview of what's covered. 2. Step 1. Niche selection. Why niche matters. Low competition, high buyer intent. Best Amazon affiliate niches, e.g., home gadgets, fitness gear, books. Tools for niche research, Amazon bestsellers, Google Trends, Keyword Planner. Avoid overly saturated niches, e.g., smartphones. 3. Step 2. Choose the right platform. Option 1. Blog, SEO-driven, best for long-term passive income. Recommended plugins, AAWP, easy as on. Option 2. YouTube, video reviews, high conversion rates with demo videos. Option 3. Social media, Instagram, TikTok, quick traffic but shorter cookie duration. 4. Step 3. Content strategy. Bloggers. Best product for need posts, e.g., best coffee makers under $100. YouTubers. Unboxings, comparisons, and top 5 inches lists. Social media. Short reviews with affiliate links in bio. Key tip. Prioritize honesty, build trust for higher conversions. 5. Step 4. Drive traffic. SEO. For blogs, use Rank Math, Ubersuggest for keywords. YouTube optimization. Keywords in titles, engaging thumbnails. Free traffic. Pinterest, Quora, Facebook groups. Paid ads, optional. Boost high converting posts. 6. Step 5. Maximize conversions. Use call to actions, CTAs, check price on Amazon. Link placement. Above the fold, in reviews, comparison tables. Disclose affiliate links, FTC compliance. 7. Advanced tips to scale. Automate with AI, ChatGPT for content outlines. Add email marketing, collect leads for promotions. Diversify with other affiliate programs, e.g., ShareSale. 8. Conclusion plus CTA. Recap the 5 steps. Start today. Your first sale could be 30 days away. CTA. Like if this helped. Subscribe for more money-making tips. Comment Amazon below for my free affiliate checklist. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe Echo and Vision channel for more tips. Share this with a friend who's starting their investment journey.